Previously on the Ranger Danger series.
We were buying a Ranger.
Oh this is on a...
Dude! No! There's no oil.
What? Now we are trying to drain the coolant. Which, where is this nut? Right down here. Holy, right. All right, there we go. Cool, so good enough there. All right, I'll pop it. Okay, it is loose, but no, it's not. Okay, it's off. Hold up.
Oh,
I just didn't turn it.
Went back the other way. Yeah, perfect. Okay, back a little bit.
That's nasty.
That means the head gasket's gone.
Look at this. That is nasty.
It's supposed to be bright green.
Alright, so what we've done is taken that off, and we took that off by taking the 6 bolts out of these things. And then we disconnected, I don't know what this is called, but it's not on there anymore. We disconnected a couple of vacuum lines, some electrical stuff. Yeah. Now we're draining the coolant, because we need to take this hose off. So.
Yeah, we're probably going to take it off right now since it's probably like below that level. There shouldn't be anything coming out, you know?
Literally, you can use your finger. Don't use a screwdriver.
Use my finger here?
Yeah. Woo! That was the part that was bad in the video I watched, by the way.
Is it bad here?
It's a coolant. It's like the thermometer base. It's coolant temp sensor. Label this coolant temp sensor. Tape. Sharpie.
Where is the tape?
Right here.
Where is the tape? Give me tape. What do you mean? I'm cleaning it off.
I don't think your fingers are clean enough to clean it off.
It's better than nothing. Too bad.
This guy.
Mr. Engineer.
Engineer really likes labeling. Whoever wired this really tried, and then we came along. Don't know what things are. I don't know what I'm looking at.
Welcome to the club. Hi, welcome to Wendy's. No, wait, that's Chili's. Hi, welcome to Chili's. I don't know why I said Wendy's, dude. What the heck?
What are you trying to do?
I'll put the coolant thing back in.
Oh, maybe you should do it from the bottom.
But then it's gonna be dripping on me.
Oh, you got it? What?
I think there was a second pound thing there.
Oh, yeah.
Look at all this clean.
So is,
little bit of coolant.
so is engine oil an acid or a base?
It's water.
Engine oil?
Oh, oil?
Yeah, we got these. I got you, bro.
Saw it. Wait, dab me up. Wait, we need to.
Nope.
You guys are not very good at this.
No.
You just did.
There you go.
Well, next we're taking the AC unit thing off,
That isn't even connected to the engine.
which I might need an
not even
extension
on the
for.
board.
That's what they had.
Goodness! Dude!
What the heck?
Fudge!
In here, I feel like we have something going for us.
Yeah.
What if?
In here, I don't.
Did we ever use these seatbelts?
No.
No.
Can we cut them out?
You're supposed to wear a seatbelt.
No, we're not cutting out seatbelts. Did you say cut out seatbelts?
Oh, sorry. You said we're
Alex,
That's
you know,
against the law,
stupidest
brother.
ideas
You
sometimes.
just said we're not going to use them.
Yes, we are. That was Sam that said we're not going to use them.
Oh, we've never introduced Sam here. Sam is from China, and yeah.
That's it?
Yeah. I don't, what
Your
el-
grand introduction.
what else is important to know about you?
Ouch. Okay, I guess.
He plays basketball, but his knees are broken, so.
Shut up.
9:41.
Yo, I'm gonna have so much footage to edit. It's not gonna be. Bruh. Oh my goodness.
Another one?
Why are you down there? Sam, get a good shot of this. Look at. Bro, it's. What? Do we have a wrench?
Like a real wrench?
A 13 mil wrench. Okay. Lefty.
What the heck, sir?
Jeez. Yep. There it is. It's out.
That's air conditioning.
That's the air
If
conditioner.
you look over here, this is what the coolant looks like.
Yummy.
Coolant's not supposed to be that color. I'm no mechanic, but this is the first cylinder bank, second, and 3. So we're gonna label these 1, 2, and 3 for each connector, so we know where they go. Because we're gonna try to be smart and be able to put this together. Were you more concerned about the Fiero or this?
This.
Really?
Yeah, you kidding me? I didn't tear apart the Fiero engine to replace some head gaskets. I just dropped the fuel tank, put a new fuel pump in, and it started right up.
What if you end up not putting this back?
Don't say that. We're gonna put this back.
That's not an option.
You take it to the shop.
And they're gonna go, what did you do? And we're gonna be like, well, we started taking things off.
No, you're just gonna be, oh, we bought it like this.
Just give them all the footage. Yeah, this is what we did. They're gonna be like, you're gonna see some
They're gonna be like, you're an
idiots.
idiot.
Yeah.
Oh shoot.
Yo, is that?
What do you mean is that? Nice!
He got the
I told you
wiggle.
I could wiggle it
Got
off.
the wiggle.
So what we're doing right now is run the lower intake, and we're taking the bolts out.
They're like this long.
What the heck?
know,
Why are they
right?
so long?
I don't know. That's what I'm wondering.
But listen to this noise when you take them out.
Yep. That's crispy for sure.
I don't know.
Well, it's made in China,
Yeah, so
so it should be good.
The bumper was at least.
that's not how America works. If it's made in China, that means it's
this
cheap.
Ford is American built tough, man.
This is why this is good. This is why the bumper hasn't break yet.
Because made in China?
Yeah.
Oh.
I dare you to lick it.
Do it.
You lick it.
No, I'll lick it after you lick it.
What?
Oh!
Alan Mink, I got a bolt for you.
Sick. Oh, this one isn't very. Ooh. Oh.
Crustiness?
Oh. Yo.
I don't really know.
Get a good shot of this. Yo.
Put your hand behind it. Oh, that doesn't help. Your hand's black.
Hold it.
There you go.
Here.
There you go. There you go.
We found these.
So Alan Mink messed up because he didn't
Oh,
take the
shut up.
spacers out with the bolts for the air conditioning pump.
Well, I didn't know they were there,
Condenser.
but apparently they were here.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and that makes sense if there were just 2. After I took off all the stupid
I
bolts,
took off 3 of
this
them
thing,
actually.
I took off the rest of the 5 on this side, and there's another 8 on this side. I need to do,
And
but
now-
that should just pop off now.
You sure about that? Oh.
I am.
Oh.
As a matter of fact, I am.
How are you gonna take it out?
I don't know. That's Alex's problem.
Yeah, that's what Alan didn't actually want to do this. He's like, I gotta keep it.
I've done enough here.
Pretty good.
Cables.
Sir.
That's all this work for this stupid one piece. Need some help over there?
This plugged into something?
I'm glad I made you do that. Whoa, I forgot about that.
You forgot there's oil in the engine?
Yeah, I did, as a matter of fact. What is the problem? What's your problem, bro? Oh, is it stuck on this metal piece back here?
Yeah.
You can't turn it? Ooh. Ooh, that's oily.
No kidding.
This guy. So if you want to know what the consistency of the oil looks like,
I gotta focus. There
the
you
oil
go.
that was left.
Yeah, that's kind of gross.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll just heat.
Right, you've been working on this for the last, like,
Oh my gosh.
35.
Here, let's get a shot.
Yo! The goop!
It's literally
The
jelly.
goop level!
Yeah.
Look at that viscosity, dude. That's a fluid mechanics problem right there in itself. Okay, so currently, I'm removing all the bolts for this thingy. So there's one there, there's like 8 of them. And there's this one way down here. It's impossible to get. You know,
Can I
like,
respond
how
with-
the
Can I
heck?
respond with,
Where'd it go? Uh-oh. No. Where'd it go?
Say we're working on it.
All right, well, that's not good.
She's gonna be like, where are you?
So we got this off, and so that's good. But if you look in there, this oil is just like super milky. So that's water. So that's fun. So this oil is just a mix of never being changed and water. So fun times.
Sam has no faith in me. Holy crap, that's a lot of wires.
That's what I said. There's a lot of wires. I don't think you can get that out.
On the other
Give
hand,
you a little faith, brother.
Oh, never mind. I lied.
Gets it out in 5 seconds,
I
dude.
lied.
You're terrible, dude. You have no faith.
Okay, let me get a
Look at
shot on this.
this. Yeah, man.
There's a lot of
better
there's a
than
lot
the
of
other
milky stuff.
that's better than the other one
It
actually.
is better than the other one.
Now there was this one that I just, you see, it had the spacer thing on it, but it's not there anymore. And I don't know where, it's somewhere in there.
So what Alan Mink is saying is he lost a part.
Allegedly. I just... Where did...
So his track record is he's broken one part and lost another part. So we're gonna have to deal with that at the auto parts store tomorrow.
This is what I'm saying. We should call it good and then let Brandon handle it.
No,
If
what
he
we're gonna
re-
do tonight, because it's 10:38, is we're gonna get the lower intake off, this whole little section.
I don't think you're gonna be able to get
Where do you want
that.
this?
and then
out before-
Go right with the other one, right here. Okay, and then tomorrow we're going to get some parts and get the heads off, and then replace head gaskets, clean all this stuff because I mean everything's crusty.
Starting to take the lower intake off here.
What'd you say?
Need to get these bolts off, but that's no good. The lady said that she drove it for had it for 5 years.
Drove it 80 miles a day.
Yeah, but to and from work,
You
basically.
do some math. That's 120,000
Yeah.
miles that she put on it.
So
she didn't do an oil change.
getting a nice shot of Alex's butt.
Okay.
Get the camera in the engine bay. But there's a screw right back there, if you can see that there.
It's a stud.
That this stud there that prevents it from moving back and forth. So it's also if we
needs
lift
to
it
go
up that
straight
high,
out.
the distributor's in the way. So we're thinking we have to take off the distributor. All right, after failing to get that stupid distributor thingy off, we're washing our hands now, and we've been washing them for the last 5 minutes, and we got nowhere. Or I did. I mean, I've been.
You're getting somewhere. You're using a lot more than that. You're using.
These guys are laughing at me because I think my face is dirty.
You still have this?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know. It looks pretty decent to me.
Okay. Whatever you say, sir.
What? Not that bad. All right, everyone. It is now day 2 of the Ranger teardown. We're not doing too well, but after working on it 6 hours last night, and that last hour was just trying to get that stupid distributor off, but it wasn't working.
It's still on.
Yeah, and Alex and I were just talking. We basically paid for everything but the engine. The interior is great, you know, we paid for that. We the transmission is good, the 4x4 works. That's all good, but the engine. After about 2 or 3 hours of trying to get this distributor bolt off, I finally broke it loose and got the bolt out. But it's still stuck. Oh, so this is Brandon. Everyone say hi to Brandon. It up now. Okay.
Alright, be careful with those gears at the bottom.
What gears?
Oh, they're literally gone.
Isn't that nice? Well, it's just really gunky.
Oh, also, this is Jack behind the camera. He is our friend.
Our friend. Yes.
And
great introduction.
he doesn't know this yet, but his job is going to be cleaning these parts.
Ooh. Okay, guys, ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
Have fun.
So
Here for the ride.
that's what it's all about.
All about the
You know what this reminds me of?
What,
The sitcom.
The sitcom. Hey, just holding the camera in everyone's face.
Huh? What are you doing? Oh yeah, we're getting this off. So this is what a distributor looks like on
Only
the
took us
1987
3
Ford
hours
Ranger.
to...
But I did put markings on here somewhere.
Dude.
Yeah, so that Sharpie mark has to
Now, what do we do with all these wires?
line up somewhere. Rock? Why is there gravel in the?
Feel it. It's like
It
sand.
literally is.
Yeah, that's not good. That's not supposed to be like that. Listen, I'm no mechanic, but I don't think that's normal.
Kurt.
Kurt!
Jack is now on cleaning duty.
It says you gotta clean it out first and then spray it in.
Yeah. So you also have to get these gaskets off.
Oh, there's a stool.
I brought you the stool.
I was too busy getting whipped to realize that.
What?
Oh, it's got Windex on the bottom.
Where did that come from?
Right. It was just down here. What do you mean where did it come from? And the sponge. My lucky day. Bam. This is after a somewhat thorough clean. This is before the clean. Quite a noticeable difference. This one still has a bit more clean left to do. You're supposed to rinse it or something. Also.
We got the lower intake off of this stud back here that was holding it down. And now we're trying to wiggle it out from around all the wires. Here goes the intake, lower intake. Very nice. And we get more yummy, I don't even know. So we are getting so much farther into this engine, and I don't know how. Holy.
Have fun, Jack. This one's worse.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh,
rest of us reeks.
Gotta get used to it.
I hate all that.
Yo, you got a 15-minute video going, jeez. Alex and the boys went to Napa to get some more parts for it, and so I decided to stay back and label some more things on the engine. All these wires here, I don't know what this is or exactly where these two things go, but I know they're somewhere on the upper intake or lower intake. I don't really know, it's a good question. I was also gonna replace the oil filter, but I don't know where Alex put that. Oh, and also I put the hood in the trunk with Alex's dad. And that is a wrap on video 2. Next up, part 3, is when we take the head bolts off, take the heads off, replace the head gaskets, because that's what we're really doing this for, is to get down to those head gaskets and replace those, because that's what we think is causing the oil and the coolant to mix. So hopefully, head gaskets replaced, and we're all good, right? Well, we'll see. You will see as well with the following parts, so stick along and find out. Hopefully you've enjoyed so far, and have enjoyed seeing our ignorance as we take apart this truck and realize we don't know what we're doing, but we're figuring it out along the way.